In this tutorial, we will execute a two-step stock transfer using the Fiori app Transfer Stock Cross-Plant. Our first step is to post the goods issue from the issuing location, which places the material into a stock transfer plant status at the receiving location. First, open the app titled Transfer Stock Cross-Plant. On the initial screen, you need to enter the material you're transferring. Input the relevant material into the material field and press Enter. The system now displays the stock overview for the material. Next, you'll select the plants for the transfer. For the issuing stock, locate and select the icon next to the stock you wish to issue, for example, the Unrestricted-Use Stock in the issuing plant. For the receiving stock, select the icon next to the stock type you want the material to move into temporarily at the receiving location, which is Stock Transfer Plant for the receiving plant. A dialog box will open, confirming the issuing plant, receiving plant, and the selected stock types. Now, input the final details for the transfer posting. Enter the correct issuing storage location. Enter the current date for both the document date and the posting date. Finally, enter the quantity using the specified amount. Click Post. The system confirms the action by displaying a confirmation message. This completes the first step, goods issue. With the goods issued, let's verify that the material is now correctly registered as stock in transfer at the receiving plant. Open the app Stock, Single Material. Enter the relevant material again and let the system load the stock overview. Review the displayed stock overview. You should now see a newly added amount in the column Transfer Stock Plant, specifically for the receiving plant. This confirms the material is correctly accounted for as being in transit. The final step is to post the goods receipt, officially moving the stock from the stock transfer plant status into the unrestricted-use stock at the receiving plant. Open the Transfer Stock Cross-Plant app again. Enter the relevant material in the material field and press Enter. This time, your source and destination are both within the receiving plant. For the issuing stock, select the icon next to Stock Transfer Plant for the receiving plant. This is your source stock, the material in transit. For the receiving stock, select the icon next to Unrestricted-Use Stock for the same receiving plant. This is your final destination. A dialog box will open showing the transfer details. Enter the receiving storage location and also enter the current date for both the document date and the posting date. Enter the quantity being received and click Post. The system confirms with a successful posting message. You have now successfully executed a two-step stock transfer. To perform a final check, you can use the Stock Single Material app again.